Miami, but from the airport, and to go to like exit the terminal we have to take a train. So right now we are in. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Aishwarya once again, and today we are going to do something special. So it's spring break here, not officially spring break, but it's spring here in the US, and all of us are planning a trip to Miami. I'm all set, and right now I'm just waiting for the cab to come, and trust me, there are a lot of people. So we are a group of 17 people from my university that are going together. So I'm going to stay there for 4 days. So it's going to be too much fun, and I'm really excited about it. So I recently bought Hero GoPro 9. The idea behind buying it was I travel a lot, and mostly I might do like some water sports, action camera. It's always handy when you're actually trying to vlog. And I am also thinking of doing daily vlogging, so I would want your opinion that what do you want me to do. So I put up a poll on Instagram, and a lot of people said that you should be doing daily vlogging and telling us that how's the daily life in US and what all things I do. So if you want me to vlog daily, do drop in comments and let me know and give me your feedback. Not giving you commitment that it's going to be daily for 1 year, 2 years, whatever, but let's try it out, nah? Big deal. Okay, so the bag is packed. Okay, these are all the bags and things like that. So the bag is packed. I'm going for 4 days. So check-in baggage is not allowed during COVID time. So this is the bag, and this is one carry-on bag, and one your handbag is allowed. So these are my bags, and this is me.
My party or yeah.
So my flight is at 8 o'clock, and we thought that we'll leave by 5 o'clock or something, because it takes somewhere around 30 minutes, and people were going to pick each other like from one stop, two stop. And we realized that today is Easter. Okay, so it's Easter, and this is a problem lot of times with Boston, so back in India, how whenever you need a cab, okay, there'll be a price surge or something, but you will get eventually. Okay, but we have faced times here where cab nahi milegi to nahi hi milegi, and this was the case today. So finally I have booked my cab, and I'm going to pick somebody up because everybody was trying, and it's Friday, long weekend, Easter weekend. So there are very less cabs available, because people usually spend time with their families, and you'll not see people on the road. So that's the thing right now. But good thing was that we initially, at least I thought that okay, 5 o'clock we have to leave, because you have to consider all of these scenarios and situations. So cab is coming in 5 minutes, and I'll see you guys.
यही अब जो है
Okay, so we are on our way to Miami. If you can see, it's I think 3.5 hours of flight. So we are 1 hour 43 minutes more, and we're going to land in Miami. Okay, so we are finally going to land in Miami right now, and you can see the view is just amazing.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Okay, so we have landed in Miami, but from the airport, and to go to like exit the terminal we have to take a train. So right now we are in train, and we have I think to stop.
It's a beautiful day.
finally reached our hotel. It's called Town Place Suites by Marriott, and I'm just going to show you our room. So it's by Marriott. We got it like, we booked it 1 month ago to get it in a very good price. So reach the hotel and just see the room. It's beautiful. So it's a studio apartment. So basically you have a small pantry in here with all the necessary stuff, and then there's a small dining table, and there are just 2 things right there.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
So as you guys saw, I showed you all the room and everything. So this is my room right now. There is nobody here. So it's, I think, 2 a.m. in the night, and it's our first day. So right now I'm just going to doze off, and tomorrow we are going to a place. We have booked a tour which is called as a Little Havana tour. So I'm going to be capturing that. I hope you guys liked the entire vlog, and you saw the view from the plane and everything. It was very lit and beautiful, and trust me, coming from Boston, this place is so lit. You feel so good. All palm trees around. It was dark when we already came, so I couldn't show you much, but starting tomorrow onwards I'm going to capture everything and keep you guys entertained. So if you like this vlog, do hit the like button, and there is a bell icon there. You can click on that. You will get daily notifications whenever I release a vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends as well. This is Aishwarya signing off. I'll see you tomorrow for the next vlog. Bye bye.